Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the CSW DMI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the CSW DMI. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 19 total strategies with 3 winners. We have also tested 350 indicators, with 141 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we're working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 141 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the CSW DMI. And so the DMI, the Directional Movement Index, we have tested a few times in a few different ways, in a few different versions at least. So there was a standard and then a couple after that. This particular one is again a little bit different than all the rest of them, and really what we're looking for is these areas shaded in green and red. And so basically what we are looking for is when the background goes red, we're going to go short. When the background goes green, we're going to go long. We've had a few other indicators that are kind of similar in this fashion, where they have a colored background like this that we kind of follow for either a long or a short. And so, yeah, not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. So this particular one right here has already started back here before the beginning of the year, so we're going to ignore that one and just continue on. But it is worth noting that that one definitely would have gotten us to take profit on the short side, so that's always a good sign. Continue on here, waiting for a color to pop up here. Looks like we're getting an extended period of time with no signals, and then we pick up a long signal right there on that one. Let's play this forward a little bit. So we get a little bit of a pullback right here from there to there. That might, nope, stayed within the 150 pip, so that kept us in a good area, and then we were able to get our 100 pip take profit out of that move there. So far, not too bad. Go ahead and continue on with it here. So we pick up a short over here on this side, and it looks like we would have still been in it by the time we picked up the second short right here, the second signal, but that one also got us to take profit. Continue forward here. There we go. We pick up another long signal right there on that one. Unfortunately, we get a really sharp pullback almost immediately, and it does come down to the 150 pip stop and stops us out on that particular signal there. So let's continue on with it here. So we pick up a long over here on this side right there, get a nice little spike to the upside right after, which definitely would have gotten us to take profits. Then we pick up a short right here, but once again we get this really sharp pullback. It looks like it might have actually been, yep, a switch from one week to the next. And we often see when it switches from one week to the next, we get a pretty abrupt trend change, and that is exactly what happened right there. Moving down nicely, and then almost immediately in the next week spikes in the opposite direction. And then we pick up another signal right here. It's going to be a long signal. We are still within our stop, holding steady, and that one eventually moves up really nicely, definitely getting us to take profit. So before we count these out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord. Really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all, but we're posting some really great advanced information in the Patreon only channel, posting information about strategies and different techniques and indicators and so on, philosophy. Like I said, really great advanced information that we're not necessarily putting all that in the main channel. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platforms versus TradingView, then that list could be very useful to you. Our admins and some of the members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked up support and resistance or different indicators that they're using, where they are showing exactly where they are entering, exiting trades, taking profits, a whole deal, growing small accounts really, really quickly. And so if you're looking to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions to grow your account as well, then I highly recommend that is something you would want to pay attention to. And so something also recently that that I have started doing is I have put together an Excel sheet of the winning strategies that we have tested, and I'm passing that on to all the Patreon members as well. Like I said, really great stuff. So back to the indicator here. Let's see, get everything in focus here, like such. There to there. Definitely wish this would have given us more signals, but not a horrible amount of signals either. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning, or 6 trades altogether, I should say. And out of those 6, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 winners. So that's going to get us over that 60% marker that we're looking for. Indicator did rather decent, not bad. It kind of got the short end of the stick a few times, especially right here. This week change from one week to the next. I'm sure if that week change hadn't taken place, we would have probably pushed down a decent little amount more, and definitely got a win out of that one, making this one even better. Like I said, I wish it definitely had more trades, but that's not necessarily a deal breaker. This could work on lower time frames as well, which would then give us more trades in the long run. So this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.